Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a 8tracks account. So let's get started. So if you want to create a 8tracks account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for 8tracks sign up. After searching for 8tracks sign up, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option. And after tapping on that, you will come up to 8tracks sign in page, and over here what you can do is just enter your email address. After entering your email address, you have to enter your username, and then you have to create a password for your account. After creating a password, now you can just tap on I am not a robot and then tap on sign up. And after doing that, here you can see you have successfully created your 8tracks account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a 8tracks account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.